What if I told you that selling your home doesn't have to be a stressful or confusing process? In fact, with the right guidance, it can be an exciting journey filled with opportunities. Welcome back to Property Ladder, your go-to Toronto real estate channel. My name is Krishnaz, and today I'm thrilled to present you with the ultimate seller's guide for Toronto in 2024. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or just looking for a change, I'll walk you through every essential step to ensure you sell your home successfully. Let's dive in. Before diving headfirst into the selling process, it's crucial to determine whether you're truly ready to sell your home. Consider your reasons for selling. Are you relocating for a job, upgrading to a larger place to start a family, or perhaps downsizing for retirement? Understanding your motivation can help clarify your goals and guide your decisions throughout the selling process. Once you've determined that you're ready, then it's time to check in on your financial situation, starting with a conversation with your mortgage agent. Inquire about mortgage portability. Can you transfer your mortgage to a new property without incurring penalties? If breaking your mortgage early is necessary, what penalties apply? This can be substantial if you're not buying another home or if mortgage portability isn't an option. Additionally, explore the possibility of mortgage assumption. If interest rates have risen significantly since you secured your mortgage, a potential buyer might be interested in taking over your existing mortgage, saving you from penalty fees and making your mortgage more attractive in the current market. Also discuss how much more mortgage you can afford and get pre-approved for your next home purchase. Remember, there's no point in selling if your upgrade isn't within reach. And lastly, ask about bridge financing to see if you can take possession of your new home before your current one sells. By understanding these financial aspects now, you will be better prepared for the process ahead. You've established you're ready to sell and you've touched base with your mortgage agent. Step 2 is choosing the right realtor. So once your financials are sorted, it's time to find a realtor who will work with you through the selling process from beginning to end. This is if you decide to work with one versus selling on your own or using other options. If you do decide to work with a realtor, choosing the right agent is essential as this will directly impact how well your home sells and your overall experience as a seller. When interviewing potential agents, it's important to discuss realtor commissions, which in Ontario are typically around 5% plus HST. This commission is usually split between the buyer's and seller's agent, with HST paid directly to the government. While you might encounter discount brokerages or flat fee options, weigh the pros and cons carefully. The ideal choice hinges on what aligns best with your needs and situation. Remember, this is about finding a partner in your selling process, not just a transaction. Gathering essential documents is also critical at this stage. Compile utility and tax bills, details on renovations, rental contracts for any equipment, warranties, mortgage details, and your property survey if available. For condo owners, you'll want to provide information about maintenance fees and what they encompass. A knowledgeable and experienced realtor will require these documents to ensure accuracy and present your property effectively to potential buyers. Many agents, including myself, cover costs for pre-listing home inspections and status certificates if it's a condo to streamline the process and alleviate some of the financial burdens on you. Okay, so you've done your financial check-in and you've zeroed in on a realtor you'd like to work with. Step number 3 is understanding the costs of selling your home. As you embark on selling your home, it's crucial to understand the various costs involved. Selling your home comes with expenses that can impact your bottom line, so being aware of these expenses upfront can help you avoid surprises down the line. First and foremost, realtor commissions, which are typically around 5% plus HST in Ontario. These fees are split between the buyer's and seller's agents, as I explained before, and can be a significant part of your total costs. Next, you should factor in legal fees. Hiring a lawyer is essential to navigate the paperwork and legalities involved in the transaction, and the fees can vary, so it's wise to get a quote beforehand. Mortgage penalties are another consideration. If you need to break your mortgage before the term ends, penalties can apply. This could be a percentage of your remaining balance or based on the interest differential. Staging costs can also come into play. Properly staging your home using staging professionals can enhance its appeal and attract more potential buyers, often leading to a faster sale. While some sellers choose to cover the cost of staging themselves, others can work with realtors who include it as part of their services for an additional fee. A pre-listing home inspection is a proactive step that helps identify issues that could arise during a buyer's inspection, allowing you to address them ahead of time. This not only increases buyer confidence, but also can help you secure a better offer. Similarly, ordering a status certificate is vital for condo owners. This certificate provides insights into the building's financial health and any ongoing issues which buyers will want to review before making an offer. Some agents, including myself, may cover the costs for these inspections and certificates, which can further help streamline the selling process. Lastly, don't forget to budget for moving costs, including hiring movers, packing supplies, and any temporary storage you might need. By being aware of these expenses and budgeting for them in advance, you'll ensure a smoother transaction and protect your financial interests throughout the selling process. Step 4 is understanding the market and pricing strategy. When it comes to selling your home, understanding how pricing works is critical. Setting the right price from the beginning can significantly influence how quickly your home sells and the final sale price. Buyers have become very knowledgeable about current market conditions and prices in their desired area, so it's essential to price your home at market value. For freehold properties such as detached and semi-detached homes, several attributes are considered when researching sold comparables. Factors such as lot size, renovations, any updates, basement features, the property's age, and its location all play important roles in determining the value. For instance, if your home is located in a desirable neighborhood with good schools, this can absolutely enhance its appeal and price. On the other hand, pricing for condo units takes a bit of a different approach. The analysis usually focuses primarily on recent sales of condos within the same building by looking at the price per square foot, building amenities, the age, and the condo fees, including what those fees cover. Other considerations include whether a parking or a storage locker is included, as these can also affect the desirability, value, and the price. A thorough CMA or comparative market analysis will help ensure that your home is priced appropriately. This analysis involves evaluating recent sales of similar properties, considering various features, and assessing the overall market conditions. By understanding these nuances, you'll be well positioned to set an effective pricing strategy that not only attracts buyers but also ensures a smooth sale. Step number 5 is marketing your home. Marketing your home effectively is key to attracting the right buyers and ensuring your property stands out in the competitive Toronto market. A well-executed marketing strategy involves several elements, each designed to showcase your home in the best light. One of the most impactful methods is home staging. Home staging is the process of using professional home stagers to come in with their own furniture and decor to highlight the best features of your property, making it more appealing to potential buyers. It can help them visualize themselves living there, which often leads to faster and higher offers. While some sellers choose to cover the cost of staging, others work with realtors who include it as part of their services. Beyond staging, professional photography, 3D tours, and video tours are essential. High-quality images and immersive tours can ensure that your home makes a strong first impression online, where most buyers begin their search. Once this visual content is created, it's time to leverage online ads targeted towards buyers most likely to be interested in your property. This might include social media ads or ads on other real estate platforms. Additionally, hosting open houses and showings can be another great way to bring potential buyers directly into your space, allowing them to see firsthand what makes your home special. These strategies combined create a robust marketing campaign that draws attention to your listing and helps you achieve your selling goals. Step number 6 is negotiating offers. When offers start coming in, it's time for the negotiation phase, one of the most crucial steps in selling your home. As a seller, you have 3 main options when an offer arrives. You can accept it, decline it, or counteroffer. But how do you decide which path to take? This is where your realtor's expertise comes into play. Before presenting any offer, a good realtor will walk you through each aspect that needs consideration, from price to conditions and timelines. They'll help you understand which offers may be in your best interest to accept, which ones might be worth countering, and which ones to skip altogether. Imagine this scenario. Buyer A offers $800,000 with condition on financing, while buyer B offers $785,000 without any conditions. It's a tough call. Should you accept buyer A's higher offer, knowing that their financing could introduce some uncertainty, or should you take buyer B's slightly lower but condition-free offer for more peace of mind? Alternatively, your realtor might suggest a counter offer to buyer A, asking them to waive the financing condition, or they might recommend trying to get buyer B to raise their price. These decisions can be tricky, and it's why having a realtor you trust is crucial. They will guide you through these choices, ensuring that you're considering all different angles and making the best decision for your situation. When evaluating offers, price is often the first factor that comes to mind, but it's not the only one. Other critical elements include the closing date, any contingencies. They will guide you through these choices, ensuring that you're considering all angles and making the best decision for your situation. When evaluating offers, price is often the first factor that comes to mind, but it's not the only one. Other critical elements include the closing date, any conditions, and the buyer's financial qualifications. These factors can significantly impact how smoothly the transaction will proceed. It's essential to weigh all aspects of each other carefully before making your decision. Last but not the least, the end of this process, step number 7, finalizing the sale and the closing process. Once you've accepted an offer, the next step is to navigate the closing process. This involves several key components that will help ensure a smooth transaction. First and foremost, it's important to confirm that the buyer's deposit is received within 24 hours of accepting the offer, which is a common rule of thumb in Toronto. This deposit is usually around 5% of the sales price and demonstrates the buyer's commitment to the purchase. During the stage, you'll also need to establish the conditions that will be met before closing, including financing, home inspections, and reviews of the status certificate. In Toronto, the standard conditional period is typically 5 business days, giving buyers ample time to secure their financing and conduct necessary inspections. It's essential to stay in communication with your realtor and the buyer's agent during this time to make sure that all parties are aligned and all conditions are met on schedule. Once the conditions are satisfied, you can prepare for the closing day. This is when the buyer's financing is finalized and the title of the property is officially transferred. You'll want to connect with your lawyer early in this process to review your closing costs, finalize the transaction details, and ensure that all legal issues are tied up. Additionally, remember to consider utility transfers and any other necessary changes related to your property. It's vital that everything is set up correctly so there are no hiccups on closing day. And finally, on the day of closing, it's time to hand over the keys to the new owners. Take a moment to celebrate this milestone and reflect on your home selling journey. By following these steps and being well informed, you can navigate the selling process with confidence, ease, ensure a successful sale. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to selling your home in Toronto for 2024. I hope you found these steps helpful and this video a great resource as you prepare to sell your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Property Ladder for more real estate insights, and don't hesitate to book a call with me if you have any questions or need personalized guidance based on your situation. Remember, your home selling journey can be smooth and rewarding with the right information and support. Until next time, happy selling.